Today I want you guys to experience me trading the markets live. So I want us to just take a look at the charts and just see, hopefully I'll be able to just find some trades, and most importantly I'll be able to capitalize from it. Whether I take a win or whether I take a loss, whatever is gonna happen, I will be showing you how I basically trade out, the New York session, and most importantly you'd be able to just learn at how exactly I'm in the markets, I'm involved in the markets. Okay, at the same time I'll be sharing with you some of the lessons that I'm going through, why I'm seeing things in specific ways. So hopefully this is that one video that's gonna help you level up. So the first thing that I'd love to see here is with the dollar index. With just what I'm seeing here, I can notice that we, on the previous video that we posted, we had this right here, we had this as well, and then now you can see here is where we're looking for price to basically respect this by coming here and then going all the way down. And yes, it did respect, but now what happened is that price actually happened to have jumped here and broke above here. So we'll be observing if this is actually a breakout, because if it is, it means that price is now going to be moving upwards, which automatically means that with the gold we're going to be selling. Okay, so now what I want to do is I just want us to take a look at US30 as well. Just look at US30 over here. You can simply see that with US30, the previous thing that we saw, the previous trade that we saw, just like how we posted that one video, we can see right here is price. Eventually it was here and I was like, guys, there's a high chance this can happen or this can happen. But look at actually what happened. Price went down. As soon as it went down, this is the candle broke out, it went all the way up, then it now went all the way up. Instead of it coming down here, because we're looking for price at least to push down so we go up, it literally just skyrocketed upwards. Okay, so this is on gold. Gold, almost like the same thing happened. Price eventually broke out of structure right here, broke out, and then once it broke out, it started shooting downwards impulsively. Then it also broke below here. So with this, maybe we might take a sell up until we get to these levels here. So maybe we might look for a sell. Let's just see on the smaller time frame what exactly is going on. So this is just going to be more like a live trading session. I'm showing you exactly how I go about analyzing these trades, how I'll be executing them. And then if you happen to find value from this, the one thing that I'll need is for you guys to mention if you'd love me to do live sessions, basically just trading the markets, analyzing 100% raw, without back and forth, without anything. You can simply see how whether I'm profitable or whether I'm not profitable, but it'll be happening right in front of your eyes. And the fact that it'll be a live session, it means that you can also maybe take advantage, you understand, because I won't be charging for these live sessions. So yeah, you understand that there will be value that's going to be shared. So already with gold, just by evolving, I can easily just have this just like this. We've noticed that our first target, we want it to be somewhere around here. This is the line that was drawn from the 4-hour. You can see zoom right here. So we'd have this be our target, and then oh, this was drawn from the 1-hour, I forgot. Right here, drawn from the 1-hour. Okay, so obviously this breakout, now price is playing. So one thing that I'm looking for it is to see what it'll do once it gets here. Once it gets here, let me just go all the way down to the 15 minutes. There we go. And then, okay. Let me just drop all the way down to the 5 minute. This is where I'll be getting my entries. I just want to refine it so that it gives me that clean, pure entry. Okay, this makes perfect sense right here. The support broke out. So obviously we're looking for it to become some sort of resistance. And we can see right here is where area failed to have broken so many times. Price failed to have broken so many times. And here's our pattern right here. So with this, there's different types of scenarios that can happen. As you can see, this is our previous lower high. And then what can more likely happen here is obviously, guys, you know, when you're trading the markets, it's not like each and every second is gonna be like insane and stuff. It's just more about patience. You guys are gonna get to learn patience just by watching this video, because you'd be able to just see you know, how we go about basically just being patient and going a bit more deeper into the markets. Okay, let's do this. There we go. Okay, we see this happening just like this and just like this. Okay, here's another form of resistance right here. So basically we've got two types of scenario. The first would be if price gets here, stop loss right here, take profit right here. And then if this doesn't happen, the next trade would be more like stop loss right here. I mean, entering here, stop loss would be somewhere above here, and take profit be above somewhere here. So what it is that I'm now waiting for is to see some sort of confirmation of candlestick, which means that once price closes with, you know, like a bearish candlestick, obviously if I can take a sell now, it might be a nice sniper entry, but right now this is what I'm waiting for. Engulfing bearish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so I think now we just have to observe and see what price is gonna do. So once price gives us, like, you know, that bearish engulfing candlestick, automatically would be able to, you know, take a sell below it, you know, stop loss above, and then I will be executing the trade. And then on top of that, would also be able to just see if there's ways whereby we manage it, meaning that once it does start moving in our way, we are going to manage it up until at least I've removed the trade from break even. I believe that once I've removed the trade from risk, like whatever stop loss that was there, that's the best way that we'd be able to secure, and we can call it a session, you know. Okay, while we wait for this, let me just do further analysis. So sometimes it might even be wiser to, you know, go all the way down to the minute just to see, to get that sniper entry from the minute time frame. But for me, I'm not gonna use the 1 minute to execute because I feel like it's a bit too rough for now. I'll just be using the 5 minute. I'm looking for a 5 minute candle close. There we go. Okay, the first minute, you can see it closed. This is a minute though, so obviously we might even start having something more like this. Then we go down, but for me, like I did say, I just want to wait for that 5 minute compared to the 1 minute. I'm more comfortable with the 5 minute. It'll be more like a day trading type of a thing. And this video, guys, I'm not even gonna edit this video. It's gonna be raw. I just want it to be raw because I want you guys to see 100% what goes on in the markets, because you might see us maybe making a 5 minute video or a 10 minute video, or whatever the case is, but you think that it's like it's that simple, it's that quick, but that's not normally the case. There's a lot of ups, downs, wins, emotions. You enter the market, it goes against you on the spot, and then you have to re-enter. You have to think in a certain way. You have to do so many things. Okay. I can already see right here is where price is more. It's a heavy resistance right here. Heavy resistance. Let's see what's gonna happen though. Looks like maybe price can break to the upside, but we shall see as we go. We shall see as we go. For now, let's just manage this and wait for entry. But at the same time, while waiting for entry, let me just see if we can hopefully find some entries here on US 30. Right here, just like this. Boom, boom. You can see price is giving us this type of pattern. With US 30, we're going all the way up to this area here. Because of the 4-hour chart, we're still going here. These are our resistance. So right now on the 5 minute, we can see if we can find maybe some possible situations that are gonna allow us to capitalize. There we go, just like this. I'm trying to see if I can find an entry here, because I can see here was a left shoulder. Just take a look at this left shoulder, head right here, and the right shoulder. So with this as well, I believe that we could sell for a while, maybe sell up until somewhere here, and once price is here, we might see that bigger buy. So let me see on the 1 minute if it does give us anything that would allow us to find that sellers. If it does, I'm gonna take this quick trade. If it does, guys, I am gonna take this quick trade, on which I can see here. Boom, boom. If price closes just below this, I'm gonna take this quick trade where I sell. Maybe come somewhere down here with it. Okay. Let me see the 5 minute close here. Boom, you can see, yes, like I did, there was a part I mentioned that there's a high chance that this might break here, and the reason I say so is because I'm seeing right here it broke above here, and then it came back to retest. You see, came back to retest. So now let's just see how we go about taking in this trade. Okay, no bearish engulfing, which means that, did you see that normally sometimes you just have to wait for the market to play out the way that it does, because if you didn't wait, if you're not patient, maybe you would now been out of this trade, but I can see that we broke above here, so I might even capitalize up until this area right here. So for that to happen, I need to be on the 1 minute and find just a quick buy trade on the 1 minute. Just a quick buy trade. Let's see. Stop loss can be here. Let us see. Take profit is gonna be here. So this one here is dope. It makes perfect sense because I'm looking at the risk compared to reward. 5. But with this, let's see what's happening with this. Okay, I think we might see that. Okay, let's see. Wait for the candle close. Yeah, already I can see with this area right here we have already, there we go. Okay, let's see if you can just put us to solve. US 30. There we go. Just put my stop loss somewhere above here. Take profit somewhere below here. Okay, so I just want to use a bigger lot, maybe 1 lot. Let's just go. Let's take a look at that. It's flying down, guys. It's flying down. Stop loss once again adjusted. Take profit adjusted right here. There we go. Okay, so that's just US 30. Okay, then US gold coming up. So US 30, we took it with the 1 minute chart. So let me just put it here. It's already running. There's gold, it's now coming. So once it gets here, we're gonna sell, we're gonna buy, and then we're gonna be going up with it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so far we're looking for gold, like I did say, gold. Let's see. Okay, I think it'll also be wise maybe to put some limits on gold entry price. US 30 already is in profits. Limit, buy limit, yes. Price right here. Okay, it's getting there. Top level, boom, right here. Okay, what sizes can we use? I'm just calculating my risk. Okay, yes, this is dope. This makes perfect sense. Ooh, and I can already see that price literally was here. Price literally was here. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll enter with a smaller lot. Market execution. Yes, I just took another one. So if it does go down, it will activate me. But if it doesn't, I'm still in this trade, you know. There we go. It's not even fear of missing out, because what I done is that I played around with the risk. I calculated the risk. Stop loss, nice. Take profit. Okay, let's see. So I have a pending order right here. Let me just move it so that it's here. And then already I have an order that I executed, which is right here. And my stop loss is just here. It's more like this, 2, okay? So we shall see. We shall see. Let's take a look at US30. So this is also I'm active on it. US30, it's now starting to shoot, move down nicely. Okay, gold. So you can see already US30 is in profit, and gold we're still in slight negatives. But let's see. Let's see. Our goal is for price to push with gold all the way up to here. And then once it gets here, you know, it depends. We can either choose to sell, or we can just call it a session, you know, because price is going to come here. But this is going to be more on like a longer term trade. So with this, I'll just basically, you know, take the sell hopefully, and then I will manage it, but in a longer term type perspective. Okay, but one thing that I like is the New York session. So we should be seeing things kicking in, price moving. Okay, so with this, I'll take it as a retest. Broke below here. And now it's retesting. So if possibly, you know, we can enter another position. But already I think with USDT, I'm in 2 positions. Yes, I'm in 2 positions. So I don't have to scale in, but ooh, what did I do? No. Okay. I went in with lot sizes 0.11 and 0.55 on this. So I'm trading currently, I'm trading with the ZAR account. So if it does hit me, in total, I'm going to be losing 1,000 rands on US30. And same thing on gold. If it does go against me, I'm going to be taking out a total of 1,000 rands. There we go. Let me just adjust my stop loss. I forgot to adjust my second trade stop loss. Yes. So now I can see let's see. I'm getting activated. Let me see. It didn't activate me. Oh. It like literally just went back at my entry. Still a buy limit here. So I will, hopefully it does activate us, but hopefully it does respect us at the same time. Let's see. So if it does activate us, it means that now we are gonna be, it's more like close to, you know, this way I'll be able to, because the first position that I went in, like I did say, it's a smaller position. So I went in, like if it does go against us, so I'm gonna be losing like 400. Yeah. And then on the second one, it's like 800. So in total, if it does, this whole trade goes against me, it's 1,200. But the returns that I can get from this already with this one position, it's 1.5. And with this one, let me see, it's 30,000. So already with total loss of gold could be 1.3, 1.4. But if it does go in our profit, we're gonna make like a total of like 6k, né? 6k. But and also same thing with, what is it, US30. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so US30 GBP, gold is shooting up. Let's see US30. It's like now I could just, it's tempting me to scale in, guys. It's like I could just scale in on US30. You can see how this trade looks. It's like we could just go in and scale in, but we just gotta be patient. You know, it's the market. You can see now how it's moving, guys. Just take a look at that. You can see how it's moving. Hopefully my laptop doesn't die. It's on 11%. So yeah, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. We're still scanning the markets, we're still going hard, we're still going deep. Like I did say, this is just more of like, a trial run, a test run. If you guys like such videos whereby I trade the markets live with you, so one thing that I'll do is that I'm not gonna be charging them. I'm gonna host them literally right here on YouTube, whereby you and I are gonna stay at the markets. I'll be trading exactly like this. I'll be executing trades, and obviously it's not financial advice or anything like that. So means that you should be trading at your own risk. But it'll just be me, because this is what I do on a day-to-day basis. So obviously maybe some people it's better to see, because I have a lot of people, and they ask me, "Hey, do you teach?" I was like, "Yeah, I have a few courses here and then I can show you." And they'll be like, "No, but I want to sit close to you while you're trading and I trade with you." And I was like, "Okay, I don't really do those things, because I don't want to trade and have someone tell me, like, let's say for instance, if I'm selling here, I'll be two for you, be like, no, but I'm seeing a buy, and now you're changing my buyers and stuff. So but I believe that on a life it's going to be much more easy and much more simple, because this way automatically it means that we are, you get to see me, like, doing this. But normally when I'll be doing this, I'll be on calls, just going up and down, maybe replying emails, doing all those things. But yeah, so it means that I'm going to be sacrificing that time just so I can trade life with you, which obviously depends on how this video goes. If this video gets more views, more likes, and all those things, and you guys comment and say, I want this, then hopefully I'll be able to trade the New York session with you. So New York session, you see my laptop is saying it's gonna run out of battery. New York session is 2:30 in SA, South African time, 2:30. Maybe we can push for like an hour. We can have 1 hour sessions. So now you can see already it's like 3:15. So yeah. Let's go, gold. Let's go. You didn't tag me. Look at what happened. So this what also happens in the market, but you should not be involved with fear of missing out, because see what happened. After this trade, obviously, luckily we took this trade here. But take a look. We had a buy limit here, and then price literally just came down here. It missed us with like literally a few inches, and boom, all the way up. But luckily we in this trade, but we could have maybe now been in closer profits. I don't know, we'd be running at close to 2K. USD is now moving well. Like I did say, you mentioned that we spoke about that one the retest that was going on here, and I was like, I'm tempted to enter. I'm tempted, like you can see what's happening now, but it's not like I have a fear of missing out or anything, because just excited. We're excited. So currently USD is in profit, gold is also in profit, and yeah, we're running, guys. We're running. So at least with this, up until we get somewhere here. This is like the first part of the trade. With this live sessions, they're gonna help you be able to see all types of trades. This is the first part of the trade, whereby it's the entry, getting that entry, waiting for the right entry, entering. If the market goes against you, you still go and you're still able to look for more entries. You're still able to do all those things. That's the first part of the market. It can hit your stop loss, then you go re-entry. That's why I don't really like signals, because if you give a person a signal, they don't see this trade at the same time, and maybe you took the first, it went against, and then now you are re-entering. Because I'm sitting on the charts like this, someone is not on the chart, they just get a message, boom, sell what, they see it a bit late or whatever the case is, and I'm sitting on the charts like this, I'm managing the charts. By the time you want to take that signal, already I hit take profit, you understand, or already I'm locked in profits, because with how things are going now, I can easily just move my stop loss, because I can move my stop loss. Let's say, look here, this is a low, price gave us a new low, it's lower low, lower high low. So what I can do now is I can move my stop loss to here, right here. So in fact, let me just do that now. Move my stop losses to reduce risk, right here. Boom, stop loss. I'm reducing risk. I'm reducing all the risk. Right here. Perfect. In fact, I can even lock in profits, meaning that I can say, okay, you know what, I don't want this trade to be negative anymore because currently we're making profits, we're making money, you can see. But I can say that I don't want this trade to, run into negatives or anything similar to that. And then I lock in massive profits. Maybe I can lock in profits here, can lock in profits here, and so on. But now I want to see what price will do when it gets here. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is running smooth. It's going all the way down. Let us take a look at gold as well. Gold is also running, but it's not running too clean, but it's in profits. So with gold, since it also broke above here, because you can see higher high, higher low, and then let's see if candle closes above here. What I will do is that I'm gonna remove the buy limit, this buy limit that I had, then I'm gonna just move stop loss to somewhere here, and then we will just see how we go about it. Okay, so let's see how we go about managing the USD. Give back profits. You do not want to give back profits. So already my stop losses are here. I can either choose, that I can let it run all the way down, because now it's okay, my laptop is on 8%. Okay, I can either choose, or I can let it run, but now you can see it's still running. So what I'll do is I'll move my stop loss to above here. Let me move my stop loss to above here, just so I remove 100% all the risk. In fact, I'm in profits. Yes. Boom. So already with US, let me just see with US. Okay, you can see here we have these two trades that are now currently in profits. US 30 are locked in profits right here. I think price took us out. Yes, US 30 is now closed. You can see the trade closed. So now we're done. With US 30, we're done. We locked in massive profits. We're done here. Let's see gold. Let us now see gold. So I'll just put a blue tag here just to show that we're done with this trade. At least we closed in some profits. So now it's time to manage gold. Time to manage gold. And guys, luckily here, like literally, just take a look at this, guys. As soon as we closed here, price just started going upwards. So that's just how the market is. Let's just see what happens with gold. So gold, as soon as it closes above here, there's more ways we can go about it. We can scale in, which means that we add more positions, so it goes up. So that's what's going to happen in our live sessions, if we happen to have them. I'll be live executing live trades with you, in terms of I'll be scaling in the trades that are already running, and all those things. But yeah, you let me know if you'd like to see that. Currently I can see what's going on here. Okay, let's see gold. Okay, let me see if it's still respecting. Hopefully it's respecting this area. Okay, can see it. Let's see. So now hopefully it activates this trade that we had here. Okay, US 30 was going on. Already we're done with this. So you see the power of managing your trade effectively. If I never managed and put my stop loss here, right now it would have been as if we never went through this. So also, like I did say, with scaling in and doing all those things, what happens is that when price goes down here, when it comes here, we enter more positions, we scale in. So by the time it gets here, we're now making way too much. Like we're making more money, like we're making more profits. And then if it's then we lock in maximum. Then if it does this, already we know that we took in as much money as possible. You understand? That's just one of the ways that we go about, trading. Like you can't really want to catch those long movements. Yes, it's possible you can catch those long movements, but It's much more wise, especially if you're day trading, to just go in and out, like not like in and out, like catch the market, ride it for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. More normally I actually ride it for a couple of hours, like maybe 4 or 5 hours, and then I'm out. And then if I'm gonna be busy that day, that's when I ride it for like 20, 30 minutes and so on. So it's just that now I'm shooting a video. If this was not a video, but if this was like more of a live, I could, possibly go all the way up along with you guys. So let's see gold. Okay, right here is gold. I feel like gold is gonna shoot upwards. Let me adjust my stop losses here. Why is it so far? I don't know why I put my stop loss here, but let me adjust it here. So I put my stop loss, let me see on the 1 minute where it is. Oh yeah, it's here. I put my stop loss here on gold. Right here. Okay. Perfect area. This could close as an engulfing candle. Let us just take a look. Boom, look at that, yo. I just pressed something wrong. I don't even know what I pressed. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, this is US30. We're done with you. We're still running gold. Okay, US Tech. Nothing interesting. It's okay. This candle is not too engulfing. I believe price can take us in here. Let me remove this because that's where I wanted to put our stop loss. But with gold, I believe that is going to be going high. It's still going to be going higher. You see? Just after I say I believe it's going to be going higher, it's starting to shoot up. It's like it can hear me, It's like it's listening to me. But yeah, let's just see. Let's go. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Let us do this. You push up. Okay, already I can see it's failing to break below here. Because you can see this, and then now followed by this. So I feel like if it does actually break below, it will be taking us out. But truly speaking, that's where my buy limit is. If you can just take a look here, that's where my buy limit is. Right here. So hopefully it doesn't take us in and then go against us, But luckily we closed in some profits on US30. So now we have enough room for the day, to play around with in the markets. Boom, now we're starting to shoot up. Let's go, team. So once it does close above here, one thing that I'm gonna do is that I will take my loss, my stop loss. I'm gonna adjust it and put it just below here. Oh, we can see that's actually what's going on. I'm just gonna put I'm gonna put my stop loss below here, and then yeah, we're gonna go up with it. We are gonna be going up with it. Let's go, team. I feel like US30 is doing something similar. If this is going on with gold, yeah, US30 is doing something similar. But luckily we out here, so we're safe. Let's go. Close up. 6 more seconds, 5 more seconds, 4 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Closed. Okay. Let me adjust my stop loss. I'm gonna be putting my stop loss somewhere just below here. I'm removing this buy limit. I'm putting my stop loss somewhere around here. Remove this buy limit, stop loss somewhere. Yeah, yes. Now in profits with gold, win profits. I just start my stop loss. Yeah, but it didn't close on 5 minute. I'm scared now, if it does close on 5 minute, we gone. But one thing that I like is that so far I've managed to reduce my risk, and I've basically managed to increase the risk to reward. Let's go up, team. So I see this as more like a like a breakout, came back to retest, and now it's going back up. Hopefully my laptop doesn't die. It's on 4%, guys. It's on 4%. So what's gonna happen is that I'm just waiting for this candle to close above. Then maybe we can call it a session. I'll just go on managing this trade and so on. But yeah, let's do this. It's now back at entry. Boom, it's back at entry. Okay, didn't really close much. It's not too tempting, but because of the fact that, oh, there we go, because of the fact that this bullish candle closed above here already, it looks like it closed above, and then this was more of a retest, came back to take in some buyers here, you can see. And then now is where price this 5-minute candlestick could be the one that actually closes above this area here. Because this candle just opened now, and take a look at what it's doing. You can see the candle is going up. The candle is going up. We in profits on gold. So now I can even start looking into locking in profits, because I can see it broke above previous highs. And yeah, let me see what US30 is doing. It's also coming well. So basically, see how it is. Once we take this, let's say once we locked in profits and took this profit here, when it goes up, we go in again, we sell again, you understand? So that's one of the things that we'll be doing on our live sessions, just going up and down with the markets, up and down, up and down, up and down. But look at gold, guys. Take a look at gold. Take a look at gold. This is it. This is what's going on. You can simply see it's shooting up, it's going up. This is happening live in front of you. And yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know what else you'd want. See some profits that are now currently running here. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's push up. Okay, my laptop hopefully doesn't die out before I save this video, but let's go. So what I'm more likely to do now is, let me just lock in. Ooh, this thing is just shooting up. This thing is just shooting up. I feel like right now what I can do is I can just close this trade. How do I close it? Because I feel like my laptop is gonna shut down. Okay, let me do this. Let me rather, instead of closing, let me just lock maximum profits. Let me lock maximum, which is right here. Yes, I locked in profits right here. Right here. So yeah, that's where we locked in profits, and price is just now going all the way upwards, guys. I just feel like, you guys see it. It's happening right in front of your eyes, like I did say one more time. And yeah, for now I will just stop this video. We took sells on gold. We took sells on US30. We profited from them. We took now buys on gold. We're still profiting from them, and I'm just excited. I feel like it's a positive day. If you're not in our Telegram group, I will be updating more of these trades and so on in the Telegram group. Just make sure that you get the very first link in our description. That's where you'll be able to get access to our Telegram group. And let's do this big, guys. Comment, tell me if you want to see live trading sessions that are like this, so you join me. I'm not going to be charging. It'll be 100% free. And yeah, let's just do this big, guys. Let's do this big. I'm just scared that my laptop is gonna switch off without me saving this video, so that's why I just want to call it quits. In fact, let me close this street now so that I close it in front of you. 333, that's the sign. See, it's still blue here as well, so let me just close it, close position, perfect, closed. So now we good, now we are 100% fine. This is where we took profit, right here. But yeah, guys, subscribe if you want to see more videos. Obviously, comment below, tell me if you want to see such us trading live and so on. And let's do this big, guys. Let us do this big. I'm excited. I'm super excited. See, it's still pushing upwards, and I believe US30, same thing, is still shooting downwards. But that's just how things are, guys. That's just how things are. I'm so happy.